I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have fallen in love with the SLIGUY reading pillow. Honestly, I never knew a reading pillow could be so comfortable. I thought this was the best design I have ever seen. It's so plush and cozy. It feels like a big teddy bear is wrapping its arms around you. I love the armrest. It's actually made with a type of memory foam, so it actually forms more to your arms and it doesn't give in so much that you're no longer having support to your arms. The biggest issue I've had with doing things in the bed is that I have no support for my head. And then I constantly am having my head look down, and then I start getting aches and pains and even sometimes a headache. And this is perfect. It sits right exactly where you need, behind my neck, and supports my head. And because it's made of that memory foam, again, it forms to your natural shape. It also has these nice sewn handles on each side so that you can pick it up easily and set it down in different places throughout the house. So this makes it really convenient to pick up and carry around without having to have your arms around the girth of this cozy pillow. It has great pockets on each side of the arm so you can put your phone or any little thing that you want that you don't need to get up. It even has a good sized pocket on the other side of the back where you can put books, your tablet, anything that you were going to use. So I think if you do a lot of stuff in your bed, watching your favorite show, doing some homework, some office work, or just catching up on social media, this is the perfect pillow for your bed. And that's my point of view.